Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to send certificates on autopilot. Generally, when you're organizing a webinar or else when you have a course, you might need to issue certificates for your students. And there might be many people in hundreds, especially in webinars. It would be tough to manually edit the template and create a personalized certificate for each and everyone. So it's a hard task when it comes to time, especially when you need to allocate a lot of time in creating them. So here I'm gonna show you how you can automate this process and what all tools you need, and I'm gonna share a quick example of uh, how I did it already. So what tools you need is just an email marketing software with autoresponder and an image personalization tool. Autoresponder is important because you need to send on autopilot, right? So whenever they complete a course or whenever they attend a webinar, if you make the trigger, it will it will start the broadcast of the email inside the autoresponder. So whenever you either way you would be having the leads inside your Google sheet or else in your webinar registration form. Either way you would be collecting the lead data. You can easily just send that, or else you can even send a quick form for them to request certificate where they can submit their first name and email address to receive a certificate. So you just need to integrate that form with this email marketing software so that this works on autopilot. Anyway, we are not going to talk about that aspect. We are going to talk about how you can configure the system of email marketing tool to send a certificate with everyone's name on that certificate on automation. So this is what we are going to talk about in this video. So here I have chosen Sendinblue as my email marketing software and Nifty Images as my image personalization tool. So whenever you log in inside Nifty Images, right, you can just I'm just gonna quickly show you how it looks. So whenever you log in, this is how Nifty Images inside dashboard looks. So I already uploaded a certificate here. I have just downloaded it from creating it online. So it's a sample template I have downloaded, and you can also just create a personalized image from here, like personal saying in the name of personalized image, and just drag and drop. For now, I'm just selecting this template to just show you. So this is where the name of the person would appear. So this is a template, but here I have chosen already my certificate template, uh, which is already created. When you click on save, you will reach the same place here. Mm, So when I have already added my certificate here, and I have already clicked on save, then you will receive this option. So you can also just preview it like with your name. So you can see here my name Raju has appeared here, and you can change your name. Like the preview would be generated here. You can just test it out if it's working or not. So once the tag is ready, you just need to copy it, and in the email content you just need to select source and just add the code here. So that's it, guys. Then you just need to click on save, and it will get saved. Once it gets saved, you can just add a headline, subject line. These are the part of the process when you're creating a email inside an email marketing software. So then you can just I'm just sending a test to show you demo. So I show you how I'm gonna implement this. So I have sent the email. So basically it works on autopilot. I'm just showing you a test email right here. So here you go. So here is a certificate. Just need to click on image display now, so you can see here that I have received the certificate. So all this works on automation, so nothing you need to do here. Just you need to set up the you need to configure your email marketing autoresponder and image personalization tool. Rest you can just configure Zapier or Integromat or Integrately to send the first name and email address to Sendinblue or ActiveCampaign or any other email marketing responder, which can send automated certificates as well. So not just certificates, you can send personalized coupons for your offers for your stores. Using this method, you can easily send personalized offers for your people who are buying from you. Like this is an example here I have created already. So this is a personalized coupon code here. See this exclusive discount for you, Satya. So whenever people see such kind of personalized images, they would highly they might click on your email and visit your website back. So this is an other use case of this using a personalization tool for you for selling more. So here I already obtained the certificate. Like this, you can send to n number of people. Once you have the capability to send, I mean, in terms of email sending limits, and you have the template ready, you can send n number of people easily on autopilot. You just don't need to edit the template or do anything stuff. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.